Insomnia. What does sleeplessness cause? A tiresome of thinking, a disturbance of griefs, a soul of distress, an agony of hate. Countless seconds of time to while resting me on bed to lay. Perhaps an ace to slumber of wandering thoughts my mind besetting. Though the time too fast to change, yet my memory keep always away. Isn't an illness of damaged brain, troubled by failed aspirations, or by sickness brought since youth, or by burden doubts and deaths? Yes, I am a victim of from years through years of growth, which nights would ever come, just fears and fear on mine. Insomnia, when shall you get